Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you have a small garden and you're not sure how to design it, don't worry, you're not alone. A lot of people struggle with making a small space feel organized, functional, and beautiful at the same time. But the truth is, designing a small garden is actually easier than you think when you follow the right steps. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a simple, step-by-step layout plan that you can use to design your own small garden from scratch. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of how to plan your space and turn it into something amazing. The first step is to really understand your space. Before you plant anything or buy any furniture, take a moment to observe your garden. Look at how much sunlight it gets during the day. Notice which areas are sunny and which are shaded. Also, think about how you want to use your garden. Do you want a relaxing sitting area? A space for plants? Or maybe both? Measure your space if possible, even a rough idea helps. When you understand your garden clearly, you can make smarter design decisions that actually work for your space. Once you understand your space, the next step is to divide it into zones. Even a small garden can feel bigger when it has clear sections. For example, you can have a small seating area, a planting area, and maybe a pathway connecting them. This makes your garden feel organized and more functional. Zoning also helps you avoid clutter because each part of your garden has a purpose. Think of it like designing a small room outdoors. Now it's time to add structure to your garden. Structure means the main elements that define your space, like pathways, borders, or raised beds. These elements guide the eye and make your garden feel more designed and less random. For small gardens, curved pathways or soft edges work really well because they create a sense of movement and depth. Structure is what turns a simple garden into a well-designed space. Choosing the right plants is key. In a small garden, it's important not to overcrowd the space. Pick a mix of tall, medium, and low-growing plants to create layers. You can also include ornamental grasses to add height without taking up too much space. Stick to a simple color palette to keep the design clean and cohesive. Remember, less is more when it comes to small spaces. Every beautiful garden has a focal point. This is the feature that draws attention, like a bench, a plant arrangement, or even a decorative pot. In a small garden, a focal point helps guide the eye and makes the space feel intentional. Place it where it's easily visible but not overwhelming. This one element can make a big difference in how your garden feels. Finally, add the finishing touches. This includes lighting, small decorations, and functional elements like seating or planters. Keep it simple and avoid overcrowding. A few well-chosen details can make your garden feel complete without making it look smaller. And that's it, you now have a simple step-by-step plan to design your small garden. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more gardening ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.